Hey there, coding stars! Today, we're setting off on an exciting journey into the world of ScratchJr. Imagine a place where your ideas come to life with stories, animations, and games. Are you ready to unleash your imagination? Let's begin this fun-filled adventure together. This is the ScratchJr Workspace, your coding playground. Look up here. This is the toolbar where you can start new projects or save your amazing work. Over here is the stage. It's where all the action happens. Like your own little stage for characters to perform. Down here is the block palette. It's like your magic toolbox with colorful blocks that make your characters move, talk, and more. Let's explore together. Try dragging a few blocks from the palette onto the workspace. Now connect them. Watch as the magic begins. Wow, look at that! You're already making things happen. Doesn't it feel like being a real magician? You've just taken your first steps into ScratchJr. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Now you know where to find your tools and how to bring your ideas to life. This is just the beginning. Next, we'll create stories and bring characters to life. Excited? We are too. Remember, coding stars, practice makes you shine brighter. Spend some time exploring ScratchJr. Try clicking on blocks, moving characters, and having fun. And don't forget to tell us in the comments what you created. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our next lesson. See you soon for more ScratchJr magic. Bye for now.